yung mga jeep na dating nakikita niya. Aba, syempre, umaasenso na. Ayun.
Okay. Bye, kabayan. Bye. Bye-bye, kabayan.
What else?
Bye. Bye.
Hello mga kanet friends. Habang tumatakbo ako, nag-iisip ako kung ano bang maipa-flex ko ngayong araw na ito. Takbo? Takbo-takbuhan lang pala. Yun nga, naisip ko na i-flex naman yung mga public transportation dito sa Belgium. Okay? Tutale, lalabas ako mamaya, isasama ko na kayo. Dali, hihinga lang ako. Ito ang isa sa mga purpose bakit tinanim ko itong mga ubas para maging jogging lane ko tuwing umaga. Ayan, tinatakbo ko yan. Ay, kapagod. Yan, tapos na. Bale, iniikot ko itong ano ba to? Yan, iniikot ko yan umaga. Unless na meron akong importanteng gagawin, nagtatry ako na ikutin lahat yan. Pero i-flex ko na rin. Tingnan nyo naman ang mga bunga. Ayan o. Yan na sila o. Ayan ang mga bunga o. Flex ko kayo dun sa humihingal ako sa mga berries. Yan o, ganda. Diba kahit na lalakad ka lang dito sa sa ubasan ay, dali, bakit to? Ang hirap sa kanila, eto ang gusto ko sanang ipinaplano ngayong season, yung hindi ko na itatali sila, ipapalupot sila dito. Kaya lang, kailangan nakapaloob sila parati. Otherwise, mapuputol sila ng hangin. Napuputol sila ng hangin tulad nito oh. Kailangan ito makapasok diyan dito para nakatayo sila lahat. Yan. Sana. Yan oh. Daming bulaklak oh. Ito may mga bunga na sila oh. Yan. Ganda. Kaya lang isang araw lang ubos na ng mga ibon. Hindi ko masyadong bet ito kasi maasim ng konti. Maasim pala. Pero pag pulang-pula na siya tsaka fresh mong kinain, medyo nababawasan yung yung pagka asim. Ayan. Lakad lang tayo ng minsan dito sa sa ubasan. Ayan no. Ayan no. Umpisa na sila. Nakakatuwang tingnan. Pero less maintainable ito ngayon kasi yun nga, 'di ba? 4 na shooting yung fruiting cane lang ang ginawa ko sa kanila ngayong season na to, kaya manageable. Yan 1, 2, 3, 4. Lahat sila. Yan. Ito, nandito na tayo. Siya nga pala, walang jeepney dito na katulad sa Pilipinas ha. Ang mga public transportation dito yun, mga buses, mga taxi, metro, train, yun lang. At saka dahil nga itong Belgium kahit napakaliit na bansa, parating nahahati sa dalawa. Minsan nga 3, pati German speaking So, nahahati sila sa ano, dalawa, Dutch speaking at saka French speaking. Eto this time, nandito tayo sa Dutch speaking na bus station. Ang tawag nga pala nila dito The Lane. Tapos sa French speaking side naman, yung mga bus nila doon E-Tech. Tech yata o E-Tech. Yan. At pag sumakay ka nga pala dito ng bus, hindi na pwedeng magbayad ng cash. Parating ticket lang o kaya yung bank card. Merong bank automatic machine na pwede ka magbayad sa loob ng bus. Pero meron din na mabibilhan ng ticket sa mga station. So, hindi naman problema yun. Eto nga kumukuha ako ng ticket ko. Ayan ayan. Meron na tayong ticket. Pwede na tayong maglakwatsa. Tara na. Tapos, i-flex ko na rin kayo dito sa loob ng bus para makita nyo naman kung gaano kalinis. Ay teka, muntik ko na nakalimutan mag-scan ng ticket. Kasi kailangan mo pa rin i-scan dito sa loob ng bus. At minsan ay, yung per consume ba? Yan. Minsan kasi may control. Yung bang kapag may control at nahuli ka na wala kang ticket or hindi na-scan yung ticket mo, naku, napakalaking multa. Tsaka hindi lang multa, yung bang nakakahiya pa. Tsaka malaking abala. Tapos pag susunod na yung bus stop mo, pindutin mo na yung bell. Tapos kung maaari tumayo ka na rin sa pintuan. Kasi seconds lang ang pagitan. Tapos isasara na nila yung pinto. Ganun, para mabilis. At parating sa bus stop ang baba. Hindi pwede, never na huminto ang bus sa hindi bus stop para magbaba o magpasakay ng ng pasaheros. Yun, napaka-strict nila dito pagdating sa ganyan. Alam ko sa Pilipinas, sa Manila, yung mga buses din may mga bus stops na. Yun nga lang, palagay ko meron pa ring nakakaligtas na mga iba na nagbababa sa hindi mga bus stops. Pero dito talaga zero tolerance sila sa mga ganyan. Ganun. Eto, dito naman tayo sa train. Bakit ba napakaraming train station dito ito pang underground ang napili kong i-flex. Ay nako, gusto kong pahirapan sarili ko. Anyway, ito nga, kung ako ang pamimiliin, alam nyo, mas prefer ko ang train dito. Kasi hindi siya parati siyang on time. Hindi katulad ng bus, lalo na pag winter. Ay naku, maninigas ka na sa ginaw, parating delay. Kasi nga mahirap ang daan. Pero yung train, most of the times, accurate yung time nila. Sa pagbabayad naman, kung paper ticket ang mo sa train, kailangan na lagyan mo na ng date yung paper ticket mo. Kung kunyari 10 ride yun, kailangan isusulat mo na agad bago ka pumanik ng train. Tapos para pag may nag-control. Tapos pwede ka rin magbayad sa smartphone mo kasi meron na silang app. O kaya sa labas, automatic machine. Ano ba yun? Automatic machine? Vendor? Basta, bahala na si Batman. Yun na yun.
Zondag 9 juni passen we onze dienstregeling aan. Ontdek wat er verandert voor uw treinreis via nmbs.be of de NMBS-app.
And
Yeah.
say good morning.
Good morning.
You have to put your eyeglass.
Good morning.
Good morning, net friends.
Good morning, friends.
Net friends.
Not friends.
Sino ba? And
Yeah. 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 I'm reading it.
say good
Yeah.
morning.
Good
Ale,
morning.
it is Nigu.
Let's go.
Say good morning to net friends.
Good morning.
But
my
you have to.
friends.
You're so far.
Yeah, before.
No, because I am. I will. Okay. I am making a content now with the public transportation here in Belgium. So before maybe that was, is that first time you went or second time? He always saying like, I wanna see. I don't like staying in hotel like that. I don't like in the Shika hotel. I want to learn the local people, yung mga ginagawa natin, the everyday life. So one of them is driving in a local transportation, yung mga jeepney natin. So tell me, what is your experience? First time you get in the,
Small.
no, that's big
No, it's small.
Di ba sa atin kapag ka ano yung pinupuno,
It's for dwarf.
no, it's yung saraw, di ba, there is 10 seats.
And the head is in the front.
And the problem is, it's already 9. It will not, the jeep will not go unless it is full. So my mother, him and I, so he's sitting in front of us, and their side is already 8, and we are already 10. We have already 10 on this side, but they are because he is big. And then the driver assistant say, still, come on, one more, 2 more. And then I saw his face like, it's like a sardines. My mother and I was laughing at him. Yeah. But, allez, vertel.
Yes, to push always, huh?
You have to push always.
Yeah.
So then,
When you think the jeepney is full, still 3 or 4 people more pushing. Everybody is almost like that, like sardines.
so the next time we get in the jeepney, I thought I will just pay for 3 persons, so that he already occupied a little bit wider place. Yes, you don't know, but I already speak in Tagalog with the driver. You don't notice, nobody sits you in the front. But anyway, what did you like? We don't have a brand. We don't manufacture. What's that? We don't make our own vehicle. We only have Honor and Sarao. You saw Honor, right? The jeepney Honor, stainless. And how did you find that?
Good, nice. Nice, but I think not. It's not like European car. Many
Why?
times broken.
Parang ano daw, medyo hanggang isang taon lang. 1 year and it's broken. Parang takot siyang sumakay.
Not so strong like a European car.
But at least we have
But
our own.
yeah.
And then you get in one of the Honor. You tried once getting in, and what
did you experience? What did you notice?
Too small.
Small. And then he cannot adjust the seat to.
It's for
He
dwarf. It's for small people.
He wants to drive, but he cannot adjust the seat. And then we told him that that is not auto. So, but he likes it. He likes the
The
concept
model.
of
The model.
yeah, the
It's
concept
like
of,
army jeep.
yeah, he likes army jeep. So he likes the concept of ano natin yung honor, yung jeep honor natin.
Like a village jeep.
Kaya
It's a
lang,
copy of a village jeep.
kaya lang maliit siya. But then the last time we went in the Philippines, what did you notice? The
Many new car now.
Oo, yung mga naka-park daw sa labas ng bahay. Yung mga bahay.
In the mall, no much honor anymore. New, brand new car.
Oo, mga mas model pa
Yeah,
kesa
Korean
sa amin.
Korean cars.
Sabi niya, "Uy, ang yayaman nun ng mga
Korean, Japanese.
Pilipino dito," sabi niya. Kasi yung mga kapitbahay namin, yung kasing sa ano namin, mga average workers lang kami. So, pero yung mga nakapark, kami walang sasakyan ha. Yung mga pamangking ko meron, pero ako walang sasakyan. Yung mga nakapark sa labas, naghihigantihan. What is that one that you saw? And then you ask, wow. You saw one auto parked outside. And then you said,
BMW.
is that BMW? Yeah, it's the latest model, BMW. So even us, we cannot afford those. So, and then he said like, where are the owners? Owners, yung mga jeep na dating nakikita niya. Aba, syempre, umaasenso na. Ayun.
Okay. Bye, kabayan. Bye. Bye, kabayan.
What else?
Bye. Bye. Woo. Hey. Dana.
What else? It's not yet finished.
What else? What else? I go inside. I'm cold here. What else? I go inside. It's cold here.
No, you stay here a little bit.
No.
You know, I like that, the view.
Like the view. I like the view. Yeah, you can see van after the window inside the view. See the frog? Talk with the frog there.
meron kaming palaka sa likod. Where are you going? It's not yet
I'm
finished.
cold.
Okay. Bye, net friends. Meet ko.
Bye, net friends. I'll never see you again. this was the last. Bye, friends. Bye, friends.
No. Take two. You buy net.
Take two. Take two.
Bye, net friends.
Goodbye, net friends. Net friends. Goodbye.